second. Natalie Nunn. Natalie Nunn, you are here. You are my co-host tonight. You are popping your collar. You have an issue with Kat Stacks. You tried to meet this bitch in the airport so you could whoop that ass. Please educate us. Go.
2 times. I mean, like, it originally started, this girl just tweeted during my season of Bad Girl season 4.
Talking slick.
I was really nice about it. Like, I don't know who she is. Let me just go to her website. Bitch, don't have my name in your mouth. And I began to tell her, you have a potty mouth. You know what I'm saying? Like, meaning that guys go potty in your mouth. So why are you saying my name?
Whoa! Hang on. Slow down. So Natalie Nunn.
What?
Did she respond, Kat Stacks?
Yeah, she then began to release Rosa Acosta, Nicole Bitchie, and their phone numbers, but didn't have mine because I'm slick with it. You know what I mean? I don't give my number out, so not too many people have my number. So she couldn't get my number, so she just now
you are trying to whoop Kat Stacks' ass.
But this is the thing, like, she's a broke bitch, and I get it.
Whoa.
So at the end of the day, no. At the end of the day, like, if you sue me and I hurt you, like, you're gonna win. Like, you're gonna come up. And like, a bitch, you ain't coming up off of me. So you know what I do? People owe me favors in LA. Don't go back to LA.
You're gonna
go back to LA.
You're gonna put the goons on that bitch.
I already told her. And then she was like, why? And this was the same video. The Soulja Boy video. Where she was like, yeah, Natalie, one-on-one. Sweetheart, listen, I don't have to fight my battles anymore. You know what I mean? Like, I'm good.
You can put 3 fat Mexican bitches on her like it's nothing.
Big ups to the Jays in LA. The jungle.